Ever wondered how many cryptocurrencies you can actually stash away in your Beam wallet? Well, you're in the right place. Let's be real, crypto can get confusing. You've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, the list goes on and on. But what about Beam? Can you really only hold one coin with it? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Beam and discover exactly what treasures you can hoard in that digital wallet. Now, for the uninitiated, Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. It's designed to give you more control over your financial data. But what does that mean for the coins you can actually use with it? The short answer? Beam wallets are designed specifically for holding Beam coins. That's right, it's a single-asset wallet. Think of it like a specialized safe. You wouldn't use a safe designed for jewelry to store your prized comic book collection, would you? But don't let that discourage you. Beam's focus on privacy is a major advantage. By specializing in a single coin, they can dedicate all their resources to enhancing that privacy. Features like confidential transactions and bulletproofs make your Beam transactions virtually untraceable. This level of privacy is hard to achieve with multi-coin wallets that have to juggle the complexities of multiple blockchains. So, while you might not have the same level of cryptocurrency buffet as some other wallets offer, Beam provides a secure and private haven for your Beam coins. Let's explore some of the key benefits of this single-asset approach. Enhanced security. By focusing on a single blockchain, developers can implement more robust security measures specifically tailored to Beam. This reduces the risk of vulnerabilities that can arise when trying to manage multiple complex systems. Improved performance. Single-asset wallets can optimize their performance for the specific needs of that particular cryptocurrency. This can lead to faster transaction speeds and lower fees. Enhanced user experience. A streamlined interface designed for a single coin can be much more user-friendly than a complex wallet trying to manage dozens of different cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're looking for a wallet that supports a wider range of cryptocurrencies, there are plenty of excellent options available. Many popular wallets like MetaMask and Exodus offer support for a vast array of coins and tokens. However, it's important to remember that with increased functionality comes increased complexity. Multi-coin wallets can be more challenging to navigate and may have security implications due to the increased surface area for potential attacks. So, there you have it. Beam wallets are designed specifically for holding Beam coins. While this may seem limiting at first, it's a deliberate choice that prioritizes privacy and security. If you value your financial privacy and are looking for a secure and user-friendly way to store and manage your Beam, then a Beam wallet is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.